students, welcome to the fourth session of chapter Earthquake of subject Science and Technology of class 8th. Today we are going to study how we can protect ourselves from earthquakes. The earthquakes, they strike suddenly and violently. They cause many damage without any warning at any time of day or night. If an earthquake occurs in a populated area, it can cause injuries and death and property loss. So it is important that we identify the hazards beforehand and take necessary precautions to protect ourselves as best as we can. So people which live in seismic zone where earthquakes are more likely to occur have to be specially trained and equipped for saving themselves. The following measures precautions can help in minimizing the damage due to earthquake. So what we have to do to minimize the damage caused by earthquake means these are the precautions which we have to take in before the occurrence of earthquake, so that it can cause minimum damage to the population. All the buildings in seismic zone need to be designed so that they can withstand major tremors. It is advisable to make the structure simple so that it is quake safe. Means the buildings, they should be made up of lighter materials like wood, etc. Since some buildings may catch fire due to an earthquake, it is necessary that all the buildings, especially the tall ones, have their firefighting equipments in order. Means people know how to use these firefighting equipments and they should be present in each building. Safer places indoors as well as outdoors must be clearly identified. Means if the person is inside the building, so he or she must know where it is safe to be hide him or herself, as well as outdoor place must be identified, that where person has to go when there is earthquake and he or she has to move outside from the building. An emergency communication and exit plan should be made available. Why emergency communication? Because sometimes poles of these mobile towers or other wires, they can fall down or light can go, so there should be an emergency communication system. And exit plan means from where person have to go outside of the building, that each and every person who is living or working in the building must know about that. Then disaster management supplies like flashlights, first aid box, etc. should be available on hand, because earthquake can occur at night time, so there should be flashlights so that this can be used to trace out different things or to trace out the path for going out. And first aid box is required for the injured persons. Now, what happens when the earthquake occurs and what the person has to do who is inside a building? The person has to take shelter under table and stay there till the shaking stops. This can prevent the damage to the head or injury to the head of a person. Look at the picture. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you, like almirah, or the objects which are present on the almirah, they can fall on you. So person should be away from the heavy object. Look at the picture. The objects, they are falling down from the almirah. Do not get up if you are in the bed. Protect your head with pillow. You know that head is the most delicate part of the body, so it should be protected with the pillow if you are on the bed. And why you have not to get up? Because you can fall down or you can get unbalanced when you get up from your bed. So you should remain on the bed when there is a earthquake. Stay indoor until shaking stops, and it is safe to move outside. Most of the injuries occur when people inside the building attempt to move to a different location within the building or try to run out of the building. This causes the panic, and people, they fall on each other and they may cause stampede, and this cause more injury to the people. So these precautions should be taken by the persons who are present inside the building. Now what about the person who are outside in open? What they have to do? They have to find a clear spot away from buildings, trees, bridges and overhead power lines and drop to the ground. These buildings, trees, bridges, they can fall on the person. So person should be away from these building, trees, bridges and overhead power lines. And people should drop on the ground, means lie down on the ground. And do not come out if sitting in a moving vehicle. Drive slowly to clear spot and stay inside. Come out only when the tremor stop. You know that this earthquake, it can cause a landslide. So it is more safer to remain inside the moving vehicle than to come out from the vehicle. Look at the pictures. People, they come out during the earthquake. So this is a precaution. Now what measures should be taken after the earthquake? First is stay calm for a while, means do not create panic. Expect aftershocks. You know that aftershocks can occur after main shock. These shocks can cause additional damage, means the buildings which are fall down or which get damaged, they can fall due to aftershocks. So remain away from these buildings. Beware of possible tsunami if you live in a coastal area, means tsunami can occur if you live in coastal area. So be prepared for tsunami. Carefully inspect utilities and supplies, means supplies like electricity or water supply. You have to check them if they are okay or not. Use telephones only in emergency, because if you communicate with more people, this can cause panic. So avoid using telephones and use telephones for necessary services only. Stay away from damaged area, because aftershocks, they can cause more damage to that area. And most important precautions that we should take is help the injured one. If you are okay, you are not got injured, then you should help injured ones. Now assignment time. These assignment questions you have to write in your rough notebook with your answers. Question number 1. Mention the precautions to be taken before an earthquake, during an earthquake when a person caught inside a building, during earthquake when a person caught outside in the open. Question number 2. Write safety precautions that are to be taken after the earthquake. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice